Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn place value of the digits we have to find out. Now we have to start problem set number 5. In that we are going to find out the place value of the digits in the given numbers. Let's see. Here we have the place value chart. Always whenever we are talking about the place values or the numbers, we starting the digit from the left hand side. So it starts like 1. Then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000, then lakhs, then 10 lakhs. This way we can continue our digits given. Now whenever we are talking about the ones, take an example. Here we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. This way we have at the place of lakh we have 1 place or 10 lakh 1, at the place of lakh 0, at the place of 10,000 0, 1000 0, 100 0, 10 0, 1 0. This way we have a number. For example, whenever we are talking about the ones, means we have to multiply with 1. Yes. If we are talking about the tens, we have to multiply with the 10. Whenever we are talking about the 100, we multiply with the 100. Means here we don't have any 0. Here we have 1 0. In the next here we have 2 0. Whenever we are talking about 1000, we have to multiply with 1000. 3 0 means you can see 0 is increasing at every place. Here multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4 0 means 10,000. Here we have multiply with lakhs. Here we multiply with 10 lakhs. In each and every 1 0 increased. If we are talking about the place value of this digit, so it could be multiplied by this and we get the answer. Take any other examples. 3, 5, 2, 9, 4, 3, 2. This way we have a number. We want to find out the place value of this 5. So 5 multiply with 1 lakh. It comes 5. How much here we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5. 5 into 1 lakh we got the 5 lakh. The place value of this 5 is 5 lakh. If you are talking about this 9 multiply with 1000. 9 is at the thousands place. So 9 into 1000 is equal to 9,000. This way we can say the digits whatever we are having, we want to find out the place value of that digit, that is multiplied by that place. Means like here we have example of 1000, so 9 into 1000 we got 9000. If you are talking about the place value of this 3 is at the tens place, 3 multiplied with 10, so 3 into 10 we are getting 30. Place value of 3 is 30, place value of 9 is 9000, place value of this 5 is 5 lakhs. Got it? Once again, we can say unit or ones is multiplied with 1, tens multiply with tens, thousand multiply with the thousands, 100 multiply with the 100,000 multiply with the thousands, 10,000 multiply with the 10,000, lakhs multiply with the lakhs, 10 lakhs multiply with the 10 lakhs. Means the digit which are present at any place we have to multiply by that place like that given sequence. So we can easily find out the place value. Let's start problem set number 5. Here the question should come like that. Here we have few numbers and write the place value of the underlined digit. In this number the 7 is underlined and we have to find out the place value of this 7. So how we are going to write answer? The underlined digit is 7. The underlined digit is 7. Therefore, the place value of 7 is unit. Just see, we have to count unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Got it? Whenever we are talking about the 10 lakhs, we multiply by here 10 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there in the 10 lakhs. Means automatically 6 zeros are comes with that 7 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 6 zeros 70 lakhs. The place value of this 7 is 70 lakhs comes. The second sum 1, 4, 9, 5, 2, 1, 0 is given. Means here we have to find out the place value of this 4. Again answer the underlined digit. The underlined digit is, what is that? 4. Therefore the place value of 4 is, what is that? That is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakhs. Whenever we are talking about the lakhs, multiply with the lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are increasing. So here we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Directly we can show that is 4 lakh, as because it is at the place of hundreds, lakhs place. So it could be multiply with lakh and we get the place value of that. Next is that here we have underlined digit is 5. Now till now in the both the sums we did directly. Suppose you are not getting in that way, we can do this way also. The underlined digit 5 is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 is at 10,000 place. We are written that is on 10,000 place. Therefore the place value of 5 is, what is that? How we are getting? 5 multiply by this at the 10,000 place. So we have to multiply with the 10,000. We'll get answer 10,000. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. Means 50,000. So we can say the place value of 5 is 50,000. So this way we can calculate the given place value of the underlined digit. Once again we can write, we should do the little bit change, like the underlined digit 5 is at the 10,000 place. At which place we have to mention, so that is easy to us. We are going to multiply with that digit 10,000. We get the answer. That is nothing else. The place value of the underlined digit, that is 5, is 50,000. Now move for the next type of the questions. Here we have the question number 2. Write the numbers in their expanded form. Write the numbers in their expanded form. Whenever we are talking about the expanded form, that is nothing else. Whatever we are doing over here in the previous sums we have finded the place value of underlined digits only. But in the expanded form, we are going to find the place value of each digit and we have to show by addition. See. Answer. Now always we have to start from here. Place value of this 5. So unit 10, 100, 10,000, lakh. It is at the place of 10 lakhs. Whenever we are talking about the 10 lakhs, that means 6 zeros are there. So directly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros we increases plus. Now we have to write the place value of this 6. One digit we have to move right hand side. So 6 is at the unit 10, 100. Directly we can write unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. So it is at the lakhs place. So in the lakhs, how much zeros we have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. So we can say 6 lakhs. Next one is 4. 4 is at the 10,000th place. In the 10,000 we have 4 zeros. 2, 3, 4. So 40,000 plus. Next one is 3. 3 is at the thousands place. In thousands we have 3 zeros plus. Next one is 2. 2 is at the 100 place. So we have 2 zeros in 100. Next one is 1, and 1 is at the tens place. So 1 zero plus 5. 5 is at the unit place. Unit is always multiplied with the 1. So we can write this given number in this expanded form. One by one we finding the place value of each digit, and that could be showing by the addition. You can see over here all the place value of all digits are added over here. That is the expanded form. Come for the next one. Again, first we have to write the places: unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Yes. Now first we are talking about the 10,000. So 7. In the 10,000, how much zeros we have? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 70,000 plus. The next one is 0. 0. The place value of 0 digit in the number anywhere, that could be always 0. We can write 0 directly. Next one is 8. 8 is at the 100 place. How much zeros we have in 100? 2 zeros. We are put it over here. Plus next one is 1. 1 is at the tens place, so 1 0 plus 5. 5 is at the unit place. Directly we can write over here. The next one, unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Yes. Now we have to start from lakhs. Answer, that is 8. In the lakhs, how much zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So 8 lakh plus. Next one is 3 at the 10,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 30,000 plus 5 is at the thousands place. In thousands we have 3 zeros plus. Next one is this 9 at the 100 place. So 2 0 plus. Next 9 is at the tens place. So 1 0 plus. Last 9 is at the unit place, that is individual multiplied with the 1. So this way we can write the expanded form. Question number 3 is write the place name and place value of each digit in following numbers. Here we have the numbers like 50753, that is 35,705. So we have to write in a column wise. We have to make 3 columns. First, digits. In each column we are written 1 digit. Second is place value, place name, and the last is place value. Start from the place name. Here unit, unit place, then tens, then hundreds, thousands, 10,000. This way we can write the place name, then place value. As we learn, unit is multiplied by 1, so it will be 5. 0 always be 0. 7 is at the 100 place, multiply with the 100. 7 into 100 we got 700. 5 at the thousands place, 5 into 1000 we got 5000. 3 is at the 10,000, so 3 multiply with the 10,000 we got the answer 30,000. This way we can write the place value of the given digits. Now in the second one we have the digits given place name. Always start with the unit, unit, tens, hundreds, then thousands, 10,000 and lakhs. Now unit is multiplied with the 1, so 9 into 1 is equal to 9 This 9 is at the tens place, so 9 into 10 is equal to 90. 8 is at 100 place, so multiply the 100 is equal to 800. 2 is at the thousands place, multiply with the 1000, we got 2000. This 8 is at the 10,000s place, so we get 80,000. This 7 is at the lakhs place, multiply with the lakh, so we get 7 lakh. This way we can find out the place name and the place value of each and every digits of the given numbers. Now question number 4, the expanded form, write the number. Here we have the expanded form and here we are going to write the numbers. First just check it. Unit, here we have 2 digit 0, 1, 0, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. If there is no any gap, just write down all the digits 6, 4, 6, 7, 9 and put the comma. So we got the answer 64,679. In the second one, see unit. Here we don't have tens. Here we have unit, that is 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So here we are missing the tens. 10 is missing. So at the missing numbers, at the missing place, we have to put 0. Start writing. 9, then lakh. Before lakh, 2, 7, 8. As because here we are missing 10, so 0 and unit is 5. So it will become 9,27,805. This way. Once again, here we have the missing the tens place. At the missing place, we substituted 0 over here. So this way we can write. In the third one, again unit is missing. Unit is missing. We can say unit is missing. 10 is missing. 5 is at the place of 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then lakh. So write it. 7, 8, 4, 5. We are missing tens and units, so put 2 zeros. So it will become 7,84,500. Got it? This way we can write the number, convert the given expanded form in a number. Now on the basis of all this, whatever we did today, you have the homework. Question number 1, write the number in their expanded form. Here we are going to write the number like 2 numbers in the expanded form. Write the expanded form writing numbers. Whatever I did earlier, here we have the expanded form that we are going to convert into the numbers. The question number 3, write the value of underlined digit. Here we have the few underlined digit. We are going to write the place value of the underlined digit. This way we can complete our homework and submit it. For the next video.